Hey guys, what's up? Today I will show you how to use the green screen effect in Videopad and how to insert a different background in your video. So first of all, subscribe to Spectamen channel and leave a like to this video. Okay, so here we go. So first of all, import your green screen footage. There is the footage. Okay, so first make sure that preview resolution is the smallest one. That's it. And now it will play easily. And now import that background photo or video. So I will use this one. This is just a simple video. Okay, now drag that into the timeline, and now drag that green screen video into the timeline on top of that background layer. That's it. So now trim both to same endpoints. That's it. Okay, now I will hide that green color and the layer below that will become visible. Okay, now to apply the effects, press that to bring this window. Okay, now before that, make sure that you have dual views on. So for that, go to settings and turn on dual previews. There it is. Okay, that's it. Now come to the effects section and apply this effect. And now without doing anything else, select the green color in the second window. Just like that. Now increase that slider until all green parts are hidden. That's it. And with this slider, the edges will become softer. That's it. And now you can play it. And you can see that the green color is hidden, and that's what we wanted. You can hide the background separately, and you can hide that hand separately. There it is. Increase the preview resolution to check that green color has completely hidden, and there it is, it's all clean. So now when you apply other effects, they will be applied on the hand only. Applying the exposure, there you can see the result. Some effects are full screen effects and they will be applied on full screen, just like the night vision effect. Okay, and the diffuse effect will be applied to hand only. And there you can see it. Okay, now I am importing another green screen footage. Apply the green screen effect. Increase the threshold and fading. And there it is. So that was it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials and cool videos. And you can watch my other videos.